Hello and welcome to EnglishLogica's Collocations series. In these videos, we will give you 10 collocations with popular verbs that will help you expand your vocabulary in English. In this video, we will look at collocations with the verb generate, their meanings, and examples of how to use them correctly in a sentence. Generate business. To generate business means to create business or industry. We have invested $3.5 million in upgrading internet services in order to generate business outside the city centre. Generate capital. When you are starting a company, you will need to generate capital, money you will need to get your business off the ground or to invest. When we started out, we found it very difficult to generate capital. Most of the investors were men and they didn't understand the value of this product to women. The New Enterprise Scheme is a fantastic way for new companies to generate capital for innovative ideas. Generate interest. When you generate interest, you attract people's curiosity or engagement with your product or service. When Microsoft started as a company, they posted huge billboards with mathematical problems in order to generate interest in skilled people looking for jobs. We are hosting a huge music event to generate interest in our new drinks brand. Generate employment. When something generates employment, it increases employment or improves employment figures. The low corporation tax in Ireland has generated massive employment in the country over the last 10 years. The rise of the digital age and footloose industries has generated employment outside of cities, in small towns that now need infrastructure to support them. Generate revenue. Revenue refers to the income streams a company or organisation has. Bundling goods and services together can be a great way of generating revenue from products you already offer. Allowing pop-up food vans to operate on our premises has been a great way of generating revenue without costing us anything. Similarly, generating revenue is generating income, which is interchangeable with generate revenue. We managed to generate an income of €10,000 from coffee sales this year alone. Generate discussion. There will always be news and events that will get everybody talking or generate discussion. The merging of our company with an international brand has generated a lot of discussions in the workplace. Our discovery will generate discussion on how we can produce energy more efficiently. Generate ideas. When you create a space where people can come up with new approaches and think innovatively, these are good conditions for generating ideas. We're having a meeting on Wednesday to generate ideas for the marketing campaign. Our competition are keeping us on our toes. We need to generate ideas so we can stay a step ahead of them. Generate waste. When you generate waste, you create waste, or things that you can't use. Our new manufacturing process generates 35% less waste than the previous one. Generate results. Generating results means to produce results or good effects. Our survey will generate results quickly and deliver information clearly. Investing in education has generated fantastic results in terms of employment. These are some of the collocations you can use with Generate. Can you think of any others? Put them in the comments below. You can use our mind map to help you revise and remember these collocations. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more collocations, expressions, and videos, or visit www.EnglishLogica.com to expand your vocabulary and join our online community of English learners.